Hi everybody, it's Mrs. G with Get and Give Crafts. I hope you're doing well. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. It's definitely my favorite time of the year. Winter's my favorite season, so yeah. So in today's video, I wanted to talk a little bit about a product that my husband recently created, and it is his own line of lip protectant or lip balm. I wanted to talk about it because I tried it yesterday when he was making a batch, and I'm going to show you a little video snippets from that, what it looks like. So Mr. G has a bowl here of 99% alcohol, and he is giving the containers all a wash so that they are nice and sanitized, and he's lining them up inside of this plastic rack over here so that they can dry off before we flip them right side up and prep the lip balm. And we're going to show you that next, so stay tuned. Hi, welcome back. Wanted to show you an update of where we're at so far. So we prepped a pot with a Pyrex glassware and some water. And sorry for the background noise. The reason we have the hood on right now is because we don't want any hair or fuzz or any particles in the air to land on the lip balm containers and live there. We don't want that. Now Mr. G is slicing up the labels using a paper guillotine. He's going to chop those up into strips, and then you'll see him grab a pair of scissors and cut those down to size and get rid of the little white edges that they have. Now Mr. G is applying the stickers to the lip balm containers. He's using a paper towel with a little bit of alcohol and water to wipe down the surface and make sure that it doesn't leave any fingerprints or any grease or residue behind. Once that's all done and he has a set prepared, he's going to be bagging them into packs of 3s. He's also going to be separating them into individual pieces, putting them in polyfilm. So he would have a polyfilm bag. He would insert about 3 or 4 of those, seal them up, and use a heat gun to shrink that all down. After he's done pairing the singles, he's going to get the outer packaging ready, which you're going to see in the next slide. So I would say that the packaging is my favorite part about this product. The reason for that is because it's black and it has our brand color on it, which is teal, and our signature Get and Give Crafts. So I'll bring that closer so you can see Get and Give Crafts. And this is just the outer packaging of the product. So if I flip it up, you'll be able to see that there is a warning label with a list of ingredients, directions, other information. So I'm going to peel open the packaging for you and kind of bring you into the process. You can see that it has like an outer craft sticker label with the warning on it and the ingredients and directions and manufacturer location. Our product is registered with Health Canada. So what that means is we have submitted CNF forms or consumer notification forms. That way Health Canada is informed of the product that we're selling, and they tell us, okay, the ingredients that you have in there are safe to use and there's no problem selling it. So we want to let you know that we have done that process and we are very diligent with it as well. So we want to make sure that the ingredients that we use are good for you. And the ingredients are sweet almond oil, beeswax, cocoa butter. The secret ingredient is rosemary leaf extract. So with those 4 simple ingredients, we have created a lip balm for you to enjoy. So yeah, let's dig into this packaging here. I'm going to scooch closer to you, and my lips are actually a little dry too, so I'm in need of some protection. So I'm just gonna slide that out. I don't have to destroy the card if I don't want to, and again, it's for your information so that you're informed about what you're using, which is what our goal is. We want to make sustainable products that are good for you. If you don't know how to pronounce something that's on the label, chances are it's probably not good for you. I don't mean to steal that joke from anybody. I feel like I've heard it somewhere before. Don't come at me. Sorry. Give it another extra barrier of protection. It's also shrink wrapped with polyfilm, so we're gonna pop that open and get inside. And then just to bring you closer to that label, you're gonna see that it has our Get and Give Crafts logo, as well as it says it's lip balm or lip protectant. The weight of, or the net weight of the balm that's inside is 4.25 grams. and it's made in Ontario, Canada. So yes, we live in Ontario. So the usage, it shows you its usage, and then it lists the directions, so apply as needed. And the ingredients, as I mentioned, it's sweet almond oil, beeswax, cocoa seed butter, and rosemary leaf extract. It does have warnings as well, so it's for external use only. Please stop using it and ask a doctor if you get any rash. I definitely recommend testing it on a small portion of your skin. Make sure you're okay with the ingredients, and then you can apply it on your lips. You can also take a look at the card for additional instructions in case you get any rash or skin irritation. And you can see the card for additional information and warnings about it, just to make sure that you're informed. Again, we did register our product with Health Canada, so they're informed about the ingredients that we're using in our product, and they have okayed it. So if we were to register and the ingredients that we listed were not okay, we wouldn't be able to submit a form, just to let you guys know. So it's flavorless and it's colorless, and when you first pop it open, the lid comes off pretty easily. So I'm just gonna boop, pop that off for you, and then I'm gonna roll it up. You can see that the balm is pretty pale in color. I'm gonna apply that on my lips. And I use lip balm year round, so I really need this. And it's funny, the reason why Mr. G even made these lip balms is because one day he was reading the ingredient label to one of the lip balms that I use, and he's like, what the heck is this one ingredient that we couldn't pronounce? And we ended up Googling it, and it turns out that it's like an ingredient that could like potentially cause cancer. And we're like, what the heck? And they're selling these on the shelves, like, it's ridiculous. So that's another reason why it inspired us to create our own recipe and be able to share that with you. And with that cocoa butter and beeswax, it does a great job at lip coating your lips, and it feels soft too. So it's a natural lip protectant. We don't have any added preservatives in there or any hidden ingredients. It's really just simple, natural ingredients that are good for you and good for your lips. They'll be able to protect them, keep them moisturized, and healthy. So if you want to give these a try, please feel free to come to our website at www.getandgivecrafts.ca/shop. There you'll be able to see a listing for our lip balm as well as our other products. Now for these balms, we do sell them in singles, so you can buy them one at a time, or in packs of 3. And for that, what Mr. G has done is he has packed the 3 inside of like a main plastic bag. He's added an extra barrier or level of protection by giving that a shrink wrap with the polyfilm. So this is airtight and it's safe from the elements. I want to thank you guys so much for watching our videos and for liking and supporting our channel. We really appreciate you, and we hope you enjoyed. We really want to take you into the process of how we make our products so that you can contribute and give us your feedback. We don't want this to be an empty echo chamber. Please, we urge you to say hi, give us your feedback, let us know if there's something that you'd be interested in. Is there anything that you'd like us to do to refine our product? Is there anything that you'd like to see us make? Let us know. Our channel is all about crafty and creative content, so I love to paint and post painting videos, and Mr. G loves making soaps and balms and butters and bath and body products. So I feel like it's a good melting pot of creativity here on this channel, and we're excited to have you aboard. It's been a real thrill, and we're really excited to do it too. So if you want to get yours today, visit us at www.getandgivecrafts.ca, and we'd be happy to get your order ready and ship it. Our processing time for our orders is 2 to 3 business days. We want to make sure that your product is packaged and is secured in a box that you'll recognize as soon as it gets to your doorstep. So we'll post a little picture here of what you should expect your order to look like when it gets to your door. We just want to thank you so much. Really appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.